just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. Thank you guys. How's it going, guys? We're looking at Quant today on the daily time frame, and in yesterday's update we were saying that if $126 is lost, which is the 1 fib level over here, the red line, as well as this white moving average, the 200 moving average, if we go ahead and lose all of this and close below, we validate this target down to $100. Now we'll look into this in a bit more detail for areas of support that we can bounce from. Just please do remember that if we climb back above, my mistakes, guys, sorry about that. If we do climb above 126 and 128 again, which is the green line slightly above it, if we can actually reclaim these levels with the daily candle close, you can see that currently we're at 127. Now, don't get excited because this could just be a little rally up and we continue lower for the remainder of the day. So that's why in 9 hours time, come back to the chart. Whenever the daily candle closes, if you come back to this chart, and if we are back above this level, and if we can actually climb above 128, that would be even better. And so that would invalidate this $100 target. So if we can get back above these levels, confirming the support, we're no longer going down to here. But as of now, I must say, because we closed below 126, 128 and 126, we have validated these targets lower. Again, reclaim this 126 and we're heading back up. It's as simple as that. So if in 9 hours time it is above this is great. We should go up tomorrow. And if the next day we can get above that, even better. We should head back to the range highs, to the yellow line over here, to the moving averages and the yellow line. However, if we close below this 126, as we did yesterday, it means $100 is your target. Now, along the way, there are some key areas of support. One is $120, the 1272, where when we look to the left, if I were to draw a line very briefly, this is exactly where we found support with this spinning top. I know it's zoomed out, so for the mobile phone users, I'll zoom in. Watch the videos, not on your phone, but it's fine. So we've got 200, the 69, the 55, and the 20. We're above all four of them, holding it as support with this big wick going downwards, signaling that it was down there. It was underneath these three, slightly above there, but we managed to not close below this. So we start reversing and then we closed above all of them. That's your bullish signal. And we can see straight to the right that $121 is that level that we held as support right there. So if we were to come down to 121, we could actually get a bounce that reclaims the 1 fib level. So we could still dump, towards 100. That's the target, but you can still invalidate that even by going down. So we could get a bounce from the 1272. It must reclaim the 1 fib level, that wick $126, but also get back above 134 and 136. It would need to climb back above those. You can see that would be a breakout where we start heading back towards $150. This is one of the cases of invalidating this bearish scenario, even if we do continue lower to the 1272. Again, if we just simply close back above 126 today, that's the path that it can take. Again, what we must understand is even if we do reclaim the 1 fib level today, it's short term up. It doesn't necessarily mean we're out of the woods. I've just marked out the golden pocket over here, 134 to 136. This will still be a resistance. Even if we reclaim 126, you can run into this resistance and still lose 126 and continue lower. I'm giving you all the scenarios. We just need to react rather than predict. So let me give you all the scenarios and mark them down. Remember them, note the ones that can happen. And then whatever one is actually showing us, that's the one we go ahead and take. So if today we are closing above the 1 fib level, this is the area 134 to 136 that we must continue past and push through that to head back towards $150. If we decide to go to the 1272 and then do that journey again, yeah, amazing. But once you lose the 1 fib level, which we did, the actual journey that price should take towards is $115 to $100. These are your bearish targets. I'm going to get a new fib level out, which is measuring from our lowest point down here to the top over here. So I'm measuring this big pump, and it's telling us that the golden pocket lies between 124, which is actually right now where we're getting this initial bounce from, Hopefully this initial bounce can push us back above the 200 daily moving average to keep us in this uptrend, and hopefully this is just an A, B, C correction into this gold zone over here. But I'm going to have to move it. I think this gold zone is because I was putting it on the low over here before, but now I'm setting it a little bit lower down there, so I'm going to have to readjust this. Actually, let me just get rid of this. So there we go, 124 to $116. You can see that's tying up $1 below is 115, maybe wick down to there, but hold here with the bodies. So this is a key area of support going forward. Look, we're already testing the outer layer over here support and are trying to reclaim 126. With the failure of reclaiming 126, this is where we expect price to fall through this and head to the 618, $116. Now, because the 1618 is also there, this could be it. But what I must remind you all is that the target itself for this pattern, if we're measuring from the top, from the top back down, actually, from the top there, that's the old neckline. I have to drag it down a little bit more to the 126, and that's saying, yeah, pretty much $100 over here, 99, $1 below. So it could be a little wick below, just like these over here, but you hold $100 as support. So yeah, at all costs, we must stay above $100. Otherwise, that would in itself validate a target all the way down to 50. So just like that, from the top to the lowest body close. Equally, if we lose $100, we're coming back down towards $45, $50, and we don't want that to be the case. So please beware going forward. We don't want this to happen. The only way this does not occur is by now holding above this golden pocket, reclaiming 126, which is our 1 fib level, and then heading back to our range high of $150. Don't forget we have this smaller golden pocket between 134 and 136. So even if today we get above $126, this is the next level we must push through. Do you understand that? Thank you guys for tuning in today. Please do like, subscribe, and comment. Check out the Buy Me a Coffee bit. It's all on the homepage of my YouTube, or you can just check the description underneath this video. It will take you, whether it's to my link tree and you want to message me on my Instagram or Twitter, or you want to just simply buy the course without talking to me through the Buy Me a Coffee section on the extras bit. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on the course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship. It goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.